Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Learn and Prepare. So I'm here with the part 4 of our general knowledge question. In this video, we'll discuss the geographical location of Pakistan, its area, its capital, and population of Pakistan. So let's start the video. Our very first slide is about the geographical location of Pakistan. As we know, Pakistan lies in the continent of Asia, and specifically the region is South Asia. Pakistan is a South Asian country. Our next slide is about the neighboring countries of Pakistan as we are discussing geographical location. So the borders we share with the countries are also important. So the neighboring countries of Pakistan are China is to the northeast of Pakistan, India is to the east, Afghanistan is to the northwest, Iran is to the west, and to the south of Pakistan, we have Arabian Sea. I have discussed all these videos, I mean the neighboring countries of Pakistan. I have discussed all these in my previous video as in the with the name of Pakistan and its border. In that video, I have discussed the borders we share, the name of the borders, their length, the agreement we have with these countries, and all these things. These are also very important as general knowledge questions. So do watch them. I will share the link in the description box, inshallah. So let's continue the video. Our next slide is about the area of Pakistan. The total area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 kilometer, and the total area with Gilgit-Baltistan is 8,81,913 kilometers square, while the world rank of Pakistan, according on the basis of area, is 33rd. The land area of Pakistan is 97.14%, and the water area of Pakistan is 2.86%. The highest point of Pakistan is K2. It is also known as Godwin Austen, and the lowest point of Pakistan is Indian Ocean. Now I'll discuss the area of provinces. The area of Punjab is 2,05,345 kilometers square. It covers 26% of our total area. And the area of the Sindh is 1,40,914 kilometers square. It covers 17.72% of our total area. Area of Balochistan is 3,47,190 kilometers square. It covers the majority of our total area, that is 43.6%. And the area of KPK with FATA is 1,01,741 kilometers square. It covers 12.78% of our total area, while the area of Gilgit-Baltistan is 72,496 kilometer, and the area of Azad Jammu and Kashmir is 13,297 kilometers square. Area of Islamabad, as Islamabad is our capital, and it has an area of 906 kilometers square. Now we'll talk about the capital of Pakistan. We have the current capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. It was declared on 14th of August 1967 as the capital of Pakistan. Before shifting the capital from Karachi to Islamabad, our interim capital was Rawalpindi from 1959 to 1967, while our very first capital was Karachi. It remained the capital of Pakistan from 1947 to 1959. Our next slide is about the population of Pakistan. So the total population of Pakistan, excluding Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir, is 241.4 million. And the rank of Pakistan, world rank of Pakistan on the basis of population is fifth. And the Pakistan is on the second number among the Muslim countries after Indonesia on the basis of population. Now we'll discuss the population of provinces. As we have discussed the area, likewise we discuss the population of provinces. The population of Balochistan is 14.8 million, and it has the biggest area, like majority of our total area belongs to Balochistan, but it has this very lowest of our population, that is 14.8 million. and the population of Punjab is 127.6 million, and the population of Sindh is 55.6 million, while the population of KPK is 40.8 million and the population of Islamabad is 2.3 million. So this was for today. I hope you have liked the video. Kindly do subscribe to our channel, please, and do promote us. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. And one more thing, our next video will be on about the first of Pakistan. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.